What if I told you that the same process that powers the sun can also destroy an entire city in seconds? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that's exactly how a nuclear bomb works, turning the tiniest particles in the universe into unimaginable power. Here's the deal. Everything around you, your phone, your chair, even you, is made of atoms. Inside those atoms is a nucleus, held together by insanely strong forces. When certain atoms, like uranium or plutonium, are split apart, they release a mind-blowing amount of energy. That process is called nuclear fission. And if you can make enough atoms split, one after another, what scientists call a chain reaction, boom. You've got an explosion millions of times more powerful than any normal bomb. But then came the next level, the hydrogen bomb, which uses fusion, the same reaction that happens in stars. Instead of splitting atoms, it crushes them together under extreme heat and pressure, releasing even more energy. In other words, it's like setting off a tiny sun on Earth. Not something you want anywhere near your city. When a nuclear bomb detonates, it creates three terrifying effects. A blinding flash of heat that can vaporize everything nearby. A shockwave strong enough to flatten buildings. Radiation, invisible but deadly, and long-lasting. The first nuclear bomb was tested in 1945, and the world hasn't been the same since. It ended a world war, but started an arms race that's still shaping global politics today. So next time you hear nuclear power, remember, it's not just destruction. It's a reminder of how much energy hides inside the tiniest pieces of matter, and how important it is that we use that power wisely.